Let's talk about XSS through host header attack. So you have to find any URL having a status code of 2XSS or 3XSS. You can try there. You have to give your input to host parameter, and if your input reflect back on response, there may be XSS through host header attack. So let's talk about that. See, this is a website. I spidered this host and I got a 200 status as well as 300 status code. I'll try first 200. Right click, send this to repeater. Now see, the first step is I'll give a bing.com there. Instead of this domain, I'll give a bing.com. So let's do bing.com. Click on go, and I will check my bing.com is reflecting or not. See this, bing.com is reflecting there, and it's reflecting over double quote closing. See this. So I'll build the commands there, double quote closing. Either you can build or you can directly send this to repeater intruder. So first I will try to build manually. Double quote closing. You can give the script alert 1 and a script tag close. Let's click on go. You can right click, show response in browser, copy this, paste here. See this, it's executed. So this is a cross-site scripting through host header attack. You can also, if you want able to build payloads, then you can directly send this to intruder. Right click, send this to intruder, go to intruder, positions, first clear this. I have to attack there, so I'll add, and one more time add payloads, load XSS payloads there. Now start attack, ignore. Now double click on length, so you can try this. Right click, show response in browser, copy this. You can check it's executing or not. It's not executing, so no problem. You can try on other payloads like this one. Right click, show response in browser, copy this. No problem. So we build payload manually and it was executing, so don't worry about that. Okay, so likewise you have to try. Okay, so this we have done cross-site scripting through host header attack. I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session.